So here you have seen that Internet IT Act is also known as IT Act. This law is one of the important law relating to Indian cybercrime, and it had passed in Indian Parliament in 2000. This law basically deals with cyber crimes and electronic commerce. In India, this bill was passed by Minister of Information Technology by Mr. Pramod Mahajan. The bill was passed in the budget session of 2000 and signed by K.R. Narayan on 9 May 2000. This act provides legal framework of electronic governments by giving recognition to digital signature and electronic records. If we talk about objective of IT Act, so the objective is to give legal recognition to any transaction which is done by electronic ways or use of internet. The next objective is to give legal recognition to digital signature for accepting any argument. The next our objective is to provide facilities of filling documents online relating to school admission or registration in employment exchange. According to IT Act, any company can store their data in electronic storage and so on. Now, if you talk about the scope of IT, it have a wide and great scope in the corporate field. Students who are expert in cyber law are in the great demand and paid handsomely. Cyber law prevents or reduces the damage from cyber crime criminal activities by protecting information access, privacy communication, IP and freedom of speech related to the use of the internet. There are some terms under IT Act 2000 like electronic forms, secure system, electronic gadgets, etc. Indian culture and government in cyber law. This means need of cyber crime law in India and what government had taken the steps. Any criminal activities that use a computer either as instrumentally target or a mean for perpetuating future crime comes within the ambit of cybercrime. Need of cybercrime laws. Cyberspace in an intangible and provide an extreme mobility. Cyberspace offers great economic efficiency. Cyberspace also has complete respect for national boundaries. These are the type of cyber crimes: cyber terrorism, cyber pornography, and online